Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to improve your stream quality when you're using Discord. So this is a very quick and easy fix for anybody who has a problem with that. So first of all, you're gonna log into Discord account and then you're gonna find this little gear here, which is user settings. Go there. Under the app settings, you're gonna find voice and video. Enter there, scroll just a little bit, and you're gonna find the option Open H.264. And if you disable this, you see this disabling Open H.264, also disable hardware accelerated video encoding if available. So, hardware acceleration uses your GPU for efficient video encoding and decoding if available. So, if you disable this, you're gonna lower the workload of your GPU and your stream quality should be better. That's all for today. I hope this helped you and see you in the next video. Subscribe if you like this and if this helped you.